In this video, we'll be showing you how to add an additional B valve to the 2K Smart mod. In order to add an additional B valve, you'll need the following items for the high pressure and low pressure models. Before you begin, notice that the valves need to be installed in a specific orientation. Note that the screw slots on the B valve have a threaded side and a smooth side. Make sure the smooth open slotted side is facing up for your bolt head when installing. First, we'll loosen the mounting screws located on the sides of the B valve. Next, we'll loosen our swivel fitting on the bottom of the B valve. Remove the mounting screws from the B valve. Finish removing the B valve from the swivel connection, located on bottom of the valve. Next, we'll remove the bottom fitting and install it on our second B valve. Loosely screw the new B valve onto the swivel fitting to hold in place for mounting screws. Install the mounting screws into the B valve and tighten. Tighten the swivel fitting on the bottom of the B valve. Place the filler piece into the hole on top of the B valve, followed by the O-ring. Next, install the original B valve on top and tighten down with the 4 bolts. Install both fittings into the side of the B valve. Tighten both fittings on the B valve. Cap off the back fitting as that B component won't be used. Now install the gauge and swivel fitting onto the nearest B component fitting. Next, we'll install the signal air tubing from the B valve to the number 1 matrix valve. Run the signal air tubing through the back of the machine. Make the following tubing connection for your number 2 B component. Last step is to add a new B component into the user interface. Click on Menu, followed by Settings and Level 3. Scroll down until you find the number of valves under the B component section. Currently the machine is set up for 1 B component. We'll change it to 2. Next, click on the menu button, followed by I/O config. Scroll down until you find your B valves and click on the Q8 slot. Select your B2 valve to activate this on your 2K Smart Mod.